Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest in blockchain tech to keep you ahead of the curve. Today, we're tackling a super timely topic: how to transfer USDT to your Ledger Nano X in 2025. With crypto security more important than ever, this step-by-step guide will help you move your Tether tokens safely and efficiently. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure your Ledger Nano X is fully set up and updated. If you haven't already, download the latest firmware from the Ledger website and connect your device to your computer or phone. This ensures everything runs smoothly and securely. Step 1. Open the Ledger Live app on your computer. If you don't have it, grab it from the official Ledger site. Don't use third-party sources to avoid risks. Once you're in, navigate to the Manager section and install the Ethereum app on your Nano X. Why? USDT is an ERC20 token, so it runs on the Ethereum blockchain. Next, go to the Accounts tab in Ledger Live and create or select your Ethereum account. This will generate your wallet address. Copy it carefully, as you'll need it for the transfer. Now, head over to your exchange or wallet where your USDT is stored, like Binance or Coinbase. Select USDT, choose to withdraw, and paste that Ethereum address from your ledger. Before you hit confirm, double-check everything. Enter the amount you want to transfer, making sure to leave room for network fees, which can vary. Once you're good, approve the transaction on your exchange and then confirm it on your Ledger device by checking the details on the screen. And just like that, your USDT should appear in your Ledger wallet shortly. Remember, always prioritize security. Use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and never share your seed phrase. If you run into any issues, Ledger support is top-notch. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below. Let's keep the conversation going. Stay safe out there.